Wugamlo's Order Block Finder is designed to identify areas where a strong move may have started, then mark those areas as potential levels for future price interaction. The key idea is that order blocks are not treated as instant buy or sell signals. They are treated as zones of interest because price often returns to areas where a decisive move first began. The indicator defines a bullish order block as the last down candle before a sequence of up candles. In practical terms, it is looking for a bearish candle that appears just before buyers take control and drive price higher. For a bearish order block, the logic is reversed. It looks for the last up candle before a sequence of down candles, where selling pressure takes over and price begins to move lower. That makes the tool more structured than simply drawing support and resistance manually, because the order block must be followed by a defined directional sequence before it is recognized. One important setting is the number of relevant periods. This controls how many candles must follow the potential order block in the opposite direction before the area is confirmed. With the default setting of 5, the indicator waits for 5 consecutive candles before identifying the earlier candle as an order block. That delay is important to understand. The tool is confirming the origin of a move after the move has developed, rather than predicting the block in real time. The author also makes clear that the alerts are not buy or sell signals because they trigger only once the required sequence has completed. The percent move threshold adds another layer of filtering. It requires the move after the potential order block to reach a minimum percentage change before the zone is considered relevant. This can help reduce weaker areas where price moved only slightly after the candle. The threshold may need to be adjusted depending on the time frame, because higher time frames usually produce larger percentage moves than shorter intervals. Once an order block is identified, the indicator marks the upper and lower limits of the area, as well as the equilibrium, or average level, inside the block. That middle line can be useful because price may not always react from the edge of a zone. Sometimes the more meaningful interaction happens closer to the midpoint. There is also an option to mark either the candle body range or the full high to low range, depending on whether you prefer a tighter or wider order block area. The order block becomes more useful when it is read in relation to what price does around it. If price returns to the zone after a strong displacement move, the key question is whether buyers or sellers still defend that area. A cleaner reaction, stronger candle response, or rejection around the equilibrium can make the zone more relevant. If price moves through it without hesitation, the block may have lost its importance. In that sense, the indicator helps identify the area, but the trade idea still depends on how price behaves when that area is tested again. In short, Wugamlo's Order Block Finder is useful for highlighting potential reaction zones after strong directional moves. It helps show where a move began, where price may return later, and which areas may deserve attention once broader confirmation starts to build.